Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use another special block on Mastertool, which is the SEL block. You can find this block here on the toolbox under the other operator sections. Here, the SEL block. Let's drag and drop to our network and let's declare some variables. First I'm going to delete this normally open contact on the enable parameter. The first parameter, it's called G, which is basically a Boolean variable. So let's create a variable called selector and change its type to bool. And in the in0 and in1, I'm gonna write some constants like 100 and 200. And let's declare an output variable, which is gonna be my selector output. So basically what this block's gonna do is that I can select which value will be written into my selector output, if it's gonna be 100 or 200, my in0 or in1, based on the value of my selector. So let's test it. Okay, here you can see my selector is false. So if my selector is false, my in0 is written into my output. If my selector is true, my in1 is written into my output. So I'm changing the value to true on my selector. And you can see here that my output now change its value. So I can make a simple change values here based on the state of a bool variable.